Good morning. This is Debbie with Food Prepping Channel, and this morning I wanted to come on here and tell you about the giveaway that I did last night. I got really upset. As most of you know, I'm 62 years old. I'm not computer literate. I have an old computer. I was trying to get on YouTube with my computer. I thought I had it all set up. I'd worked on it that day, thought that everything was going to be okay, and got on there. You can't see when you're doing live. You don't see anything. I had chat over there, and I was trying to type, which I thought y'all were getting. Evidently you weren't. So when the video came out, I got quite a few thumbs down, which really kind of upset me because I wasn't going to do live at all. I was just going to do a video just like this, and y'all would have seen it today, just like you're seeing this, and you wouldn't have known until today. And instead, I decided to do the YouTube live and see how it would turn out, thinking that I had it right, and I didn't. It did really upset me because, like I said, I couldn't see anything except what y'all are seeing right now. I saw myself with the stuff behind me, and that was it. I couldn't see anybody talking, didn't know how to find it. I have an old computer. I don't know whether that's what did it. I don't know what happened, but it didn't work. But I did, thinking y'all could hear me, I did go through with the drawing. What you do is you go to Random Picker on, YouTube Random Picker, and you put in the URL or the link to where the video is, and then it'll bring up all the comments, which it did. And it blocks out if anyone has duplicated a comment. It blocks that comment out. So you still only have the one chance to get one of the three prizes that I did. So anyway, the first person's name that I picked for third place, this was the two items. I don't have them in here now. Anyway, it's in the video. The third place was Linda Sterling. And each of you that have won these items, I need for you to send me in your your physical address where you live, so I can send you these packages, and you need to send them to me. FoodPrepping, one word, FoodPrepping @gmail.com. Alright, that was third place, Linda Sterling. Alright, second place was Marilyn Wall. Marilyn Wall is second place. You need to send me your physical address to foodprepping @gmail.com. Alright, in first place, the grand prize, the Instant Pot, was Tammy Butler. Tammy, you need to send me your physical address. Send it to foodprepping @gmail.com. And I'm truly sorry that I could not get the YouTube live to work. I don't know what happened. The video will be deleted. I'm sorry that some of you felt that you had to give me a thumbs down. Some of you went and helped me by telling other people what the names were after I posted them, and I tried to put the names. I went back to all the comments, and I replied to Linda, I replied to Marilyn, and I replied to Tammy to please email me their addresses so I could send them out the prize. Like I said, it really upset me. I thought that y'all were at least hearing me. I didn't know that you were just seeing me and not hearing me. I couldn't understand why I wasn't seeing any comments, because I was commenting. I was commenting with every person that won. And if you watch that video, you know that I did it legitimately. There was no, anything that was not legitimate. And I will be doing hopefully I will be doing a giveaway every month, or at least every other month. Won't be as big as this one, by no means, but it will be some kind of giveaway every month that I will be doing. And these are products that are given to me by companies that want you all to see them. So at the bottom of each video, there will be a link that you can click on to purchase this item. And so, please, if you need this item, click on it and buy it, because it really is good, and they try to give you a pretty good discount on it. And so, anyway, I really can't stress to you how sorry I am that my YouTube Live didn't work last night. And I hope you understand. Well, look at me. I'm 62 years old. And when I was in school, we learned key punch. Didn't even have computers back then. So I'm doing pretty good to get this video out to y'all. So I hope you like this video, and I'm sorry about what happened, and you take care, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.